guys, it's a few days later. I've got the truck out here, get ready to pull this bed off. What I've done is, I hung some straps from the wall, from the ceiling rafters. Hopefully these straps will be enough to lift that bed up, which I think it will, because, you know, that bed's not all that damn heavy. And plus, these are rated for 1,500 pounds a piece. So I think it'd be plenty enough to ratchet strap them up. And then once I get it up in the air, I'll drive the truck out from underneath it. And then I'll set the... Once I get it up in the air and get the truck out from underneath it, then I'll set it down on these stands that I've got these wheel dollies up underneath. I can roll it around the shop and shit and be able to work on it. That way I'm not, you know, all the way pressed up against the wall and everything. So what I'm going to do now is, I guess I'm going to... I'm trying to... This camera's kind of fucking with me a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the bolts out of this bed. I've got to unhook where the gas cap is. Like 3 bolts to take out of there, and then I'll pull it in here and hook the straps to it and start ratcheting the damn thing off there. It's time for me to get on this thing, and I'm not going to have enough time to paint it if I don't get on it and start working on it now. So, yeah, so let's get to it, man. Okay, I've got all the bolts out. I just got to unhook the gas spout there on the side of the bed, and we'll pull it back in and get it strapped on. Taking a break here for a minute now. I'm sweating my ass off. While I'm at it, I might as well go ahead and tell you to like and subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, make a comment, like to know what you're thinking. Give me an idea what kind of videos you want to see, what kind of work you want it done, because I tell you, around here I do a little bit of everything when it comes to cars. And so yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe. Like I said, like my videos, man. Make a comment, and got a bunch of shit coming up here real soon. Gonna be giving some stuff away. I talked about in my last video that I was going to be giving away this bike. We're going to be doing that over the winter. We're going to build this bike up, and then I'm going to give it away to one of the subscribers. So it doesn't matter if you're already a subscriber to my channel, you automatically are entered in the winning the bike. So what we're going to do is we're going to build the bike over the winter time, paint it, and do whatever custom stuff we're going to do to it, put the motor and everything on it. And then when it's finished, I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. So stay tuned for that. You might want to subscribe to the channel for that. So let me take a break here for a minute, man, and we'll back this truck in here and get this damn bed off, get it on some stands, and then I can get to work on it. So, all right, guys, got it. Everything out, got the truck in, got the straps hooked on. Let's just start picking it up, man. The truck's kind of over this way a little bit. but that's all right. I mean, it's going to come up. I was going to try to get it back in here. You can see that these two here are kind of going that way a little bit. So once I get the bed up, it's going to really come this way. So, have to do a pretty good job lifting it. Sit the fuck out of here, you fucking bitch. Ah, fuck. Alright guys, we got the bed off. Take you around and show you what's going on with it here. Front of it's pushed out pretty good. You can see top of it's pushed in, so now I pretty much got my work cut out for me. As you seen, I got it down on the stands, and it tipped off the stands and fell over on the floor. And I can see right there, that stand's going to have to be reset. Got a couple on there that look like they're, yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just keeping the straps with some tension on them until I get them, yeah, on there good. I don't want the damn thing tipping over on me again. So that's going to be it for this video. Well, for today anyway. So I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and post this or add some more to it later on. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.